Dear students, we completed the poem Chivi. Okay, we completed the textual questions. Today we'll go through the short question answers. The first one is, does the child like the grown-ups for always instructing him? So, no, the child does not like the way grown-ups instruct him all the time. Why do the grown-ups behave with the children in that manner? There are two reasons why the grown-ups behave in that particular way. The one is that they want the children to learn good manners very quickly. The second is that bullying has become a part of habit of many grown. Bullying means telling the children every time, correcting them, instructing them, giving them the suggestions, the punishments. It has become the habit of many grown-ups. Do you think the adults should stop instructing the children? No, the adults must instruct the children. However, they should do so in the pleasant way. Once it should be done in the pleasant manner. The children should not be hurt. They feel shy when they feel jealous, when they feel indifferent when they are scolded before others. Is the poet praising the adults? No, the poet is in fact criticizing them. Why criticizing? Because adults have a habits of simply criticizing, scolding and telling the things to others. Let's go to the objective type questions. The first one, the children always remain the father of man, learners, teacher in the making, innocent and obedient. So what will be the right answer for this? Which option is the right answer for this? So the right answer for this is the first, right, in the children always remain. Okay, so the children always remain the father of man, learners, teacher in the making, innocent and obedient, or both B and D. So which will be the right answer? So both B and D is the right answer. Okay, both B and D is the right answer. The children do not like, what they do not like? To study, the way grown-ups instruct them, good manners, or to be insulted. So they do not like the way grown-ups instruct them. Okay, they do not like the way grown-ups instruct them. Next is number 3. Okay, next is number 3. The grown-ups teach the children good manners, communicative skills, spoken English, or to behave. So they teach them good manners. The instruction seems to destroy their personality, offend the elders, offend most of the children, or fall over deaf ears. Okay, so offend most of the children. When the child doesn't want to reply, he is asked to stop speaking, start a dialogue, speak up, train other child. So what is the answer? So speak up. Speak up loudly. The grown-ups do not behave well. They dash them, bully, like, love or hate. So they bully them. The behavior of the grown-ups make the child feel angry, irritated, happy or insulted. So they feel it insulted before others. Okay, they feel insulted before others. The lesson of the poem is that the grown-up must leave the child alone, keep on behaving the way they do, improve their behavior, or send the child to school. So they have to improve their behavior. So dear students, with these question answers and MCQs, we complete the unit 4, the ashes that made that poem, trees bloom, and the poem Chivi. And tomorrow onwards we begin with a new grammar topic or essay topics. Okay, so complete all your works in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all.